What is going on?
My queen, I don't know. I don't even know how to say this, but I think Jane is missing.
No, I don't understand. How do you mean by Jane is missing?
Last time I spoke with her was yesterday. She called me, said she was coming back home around 5 p.m. From that time till now, I've not seen her. I've been calling her phone is switched off. In fact, I've even gone to all the places that she goes to. I've called her friends. No sign of her. I don't know what to do.
What are you talking about? Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter?
No, my queen, that's why I'm here.
Ha!
Yeah, I don't know.
Ha!
Oh.
What am I hearing here?
Hey.
What am I hearing? Eh? What am I hearing you people talk about? Where's my daughter? Are you now deaf and dumb? Now listen. I'm going to carve you into two, slice you into two, then slice off your head. Now, my friend, will you come out? Come out here. Where are you going to? Where is my daughter?
I don't know.
What is happening? What is happening?
Just calm down. Just calm down.
How can I calm down? We are talking about my daughter here. You don't know where your daughter is. This young man does not know where my daughter is. Where is my daughter? Where is my daughter? Where? Calm down. What are you telling me? Calm down. How? Look at this one. He's not saying anything. Now, I'm asking for my daughter. I'm asking for my daughter. Why is everybody not talking? I'm talking about your own sister. And where's the other boy? What are you people doing here? Go.
Michael, what do we do? How do we find Jane?
Lolo,
you didn't ask me now. Did you ask me? We're talking about Jane. It's not Igwe here. Please, where is he? Where can we find her? Also, I didn't tell you Igwe was around. Where do we find Jane?
I don't know to help one mother and one Igwe now.
The love is too much. Now which can love me this you? You love me.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.